Hello traders, expiry day July 13, 9:16 a.m. In 1 minute of market open, buy call generator. Daily basis, this chart will automatically generate calls in live market. Automatic buy sell calls generated, we can say. The calls will look like a signal, like a green signal, red signal. Green signal means it's a buy trend. Red signal means it's a downtrend, sell trend. Okay. Now it's a green color, so it's a buying opportunity. Buy call generated at buy at 44,980, like that the buy call generated today. And the first target range is 45,092. It's a 112 point first target. Second target is a 200 point target, 45,204. Like this every day, it will automatically analyze the market movement and generate calls in live market. So it's an automatic buy sell calls generator. For your intraday trading, it will be very helpful. This tool will act like a supporting tool for your intraday by providing calls in live market. After 11:15, it successfully break out the first target range. Like this today, call generated and achieved the target. If you want this chart, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Every day for intraday trading, it will be act like a supporting tool and providing calls in live market. For live market calls, subscribe this chart. Send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.